So this related rate example uses oil spilling from a ruptured tanker that spreads in a circle on the surface of the ocean. So the radius of the spill is increasing at a rate of 2 meters per minute. How fast is the area of the spill increasing when the radius is 4 meters? So what we want to do is I would always just draw a picture. And so I know that this is my center, and I know that dr dt, which is my rate, is equal to 2 meters per minute. So what I know is happening is that my radius is now going to be 4 meters. So I'm trying to figure out how fast the area is increasing during this time. So the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. And so I want to know the change in the area, or how fast this area is increasing. So dA dt. And so now I go ahead and take the derivative. So it's 2 pi r times dr dt. And they give us dr dt. So dr dt is 2 meters per minute. And then we know what r is. It's 4. So I'm using those two pieces to find dA dt. So I plug it in. dA dt is equal to 2 pi, radius of 4, and then my my dr dt is 2. So I multiply this out, and I'm going to get 16 pi. And my units for dA dt, well, we're doing area, so it's got to be meters squared. And since it's rate, it's got to be per second. So that's how I find my dA dt.